Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports RZR Pro Series 2-seat rock sliders. These sliders fit the 2020 Plus Polaris RZR Pro Series, all models. Install time is under or around 30 minutes. Can be installed by yourself with a difficulty level of intermediate. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Let's start by grabbing one side of the rock slider, and set it in your lap or on a workbench, whatever you have convenient or available. Next, grab the backing wedge base, and the expander wedge itself, line them up, as you see here, tear off a small strip of painter's tape, just long enough to wrap around the wedges once. Hold the wedges so they align with each other, and wrap them in the tape. Any more tape overlap than the ends touching will be too thick to slide in the mounting holes. Go ahead, and tape up the other two expander wedges. Now, install the stem bolts through the mounting positions, and thread them into the expander wedge, so they are slightly movable or have some wiggle room, as you see here. Also note as you install the wedges, that they have a square base that seats into the square hole in the rail, as shown here. The wedge needs to seat in the hole, and still have that wiggle room. Next, these are the three other mounting spots, on the upper side of the rock rail. We will need to remove these three factory T30 Torx bolts, and set them aside for now. Now, the slider will get mounted in these three factory holes. Pick up your rail and set it in place, aligning all three mounts, and slide them into place. You know it is in place when it fits the bodywork perfectly. While holding the rail in place, begin reinstalling the factory Torx bolts. Once they are threaded in, go back and tighten them down. Push the rail in tight against the bodywork, as you tighten them down. Next, begin tightening down the 3 wedge mounting points. You are done with this rock slider. You just have to repeat these steps to the other side of the vehicle, and you are ready to ride. Congrats, that completes your DRT Pro Series 2-seat rock slider install. These Pro Series 2-seat rock sliders are designed to protect your RZR from rocks and obstacles while out on the trail. Built to handle the abuse of the toughest trails and hard impacts while maneuvering through tight trails. The form-fitted design complements the OEM body lines, prevents hang-ups, and has no adverse effect on ground clearance. Made of thick gauge laser cut, formed, and welded steel, the rock sliders are designed to handle any abuses you throw at them. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.